Hello everyone, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In this video, we'll be talking about how to find the final direction based on the given directions that are given to us. And these type of questions, they form a very important part of all competitive exams such as UPSC, SSC, banking, SI, PO, and all other exams where verbal reasoning is a part of the syllabus. So we have already taken up two videos based on the direction sense. The first video in which we discussed about the rules, the second video in which we discussed about how to find the distance or the displacement. So here I come with the third video of the series in which we'll learn how to find the direction, and I'll be taking up some previous year questions which have appeared in the competitive exams so that you can understand the concept really well. So let's learn how to find the final direction based on the direction sense that are given to us in the question. So in the first question, the question says the time in a clock is 12:15. So let us draw a clock here. So this is the clock that we have. So when the time is 12:15, this is our hour hand and this will be our minute hand. We already know about the directions. The directions are north, south, east and west in general. Now let us come back to the question. If the hour hand points to the east, that means our hour hand is pointing to the east. So this is the east here. Then which is the direction opposite to the minute hand? So we have to find out this direction, that is the direction that is opposite to the minute hand in this particular question. So if we carefully observe the two figures, if we shift east anti-clockwise by 90 degrees, it comes in the position of this clock. So that is exactly what we are going to do here. We'll be shifting south by 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. So that means this direction will become south and the direction opposite to south is north. So our answer to this question will be north. So this is how we go about such questions. The tendency in such questions is that most of the aspirants will be marking the answer as south. So please be very careful while reading the questions because we have to mark the direction opposite to the minute hand. So that is how we go about these questions. The second question says, a man walks 6 kilometers south. Again, you need to be thorough with your directions. So I'll quickly draw the direction chart here also. This is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. So the man walks 6 kilometers south. So let this be the starting point. The man walks 6 kilometers in the south direction, then takes a left turn. So whenever someone is facing the south, his left will be your right. That means he takes a left turn. It will be towards this direction and walks 4 kilometers. At this point, he again takes a left turn. So he's taking a left turn here. So the left turn again will be opposite to yours and he walks 5 kilometers. So which direction is he facing now? Which direction is this? Yes, he will be facing the north. So that is your correct answer, that the man faces the north direction. So this is again a previous year question which was asked in the SSC exams in the year 2014, and such type of questions are very common in competitive exams. Let us now have a look at the third question. Now here you can see some angles given along with the directions. So how to go about such questions? And you can just imagine how important these questions are because this was asked in MAT 2013 as well as RRB in the year 2005. So these type of questions are really important. A man is facing west. So for this, let us make use of this figure here. The man is facing west. That means this is the direction in which the man is facing. He turns 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. So clockwise is the direction, that means the direction in which the hands of a clock move. That means you will be going this way. This is the clockwise direction. This is how the hands of a clock move. So 45 degrees in the clockwise direction means this is 45 degrees. So the man reaches at this point. Let us mark this as point A. And then another 180 degrees in the same direction. So 45, after this he takes further moves 180 degrees in the same direction. So that means now the man reaches somewhere at this point. Let us mark this as point B. So this is now 180 degrees. First he moved 45 degrees, then he again moved 180 degrees, both in the clockwise direction. And after this, he took a 270 degrees turn in the anti-clockwise direction. So 270 degrees. What does it mean? It means 180 plus 45 and another 45, that makes it 270. So what will be our answer? So this is how we get this 270 here. So that means the man is now at this point. So what is the direction? This is west and this is south. So the direction becomes what? The direction becomes southwest. So that is our answer to this question. The man is now facing the southwest direction. I hope it is clear to everyone. A quick recap of this question, because I don't want any confusions here. The man moves 45 degrees in the clockwise direction, then again 180 degrees in the clockwise direction. And after that, he turned around and moved 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, finally reaching point C. That means he is now facing towards point C, and the direction that he is facing is the southwest direction. Moving towards the fourth and the last question for this video. One evening before sunset, Ansh and Arjun were standing together face to face. So there are two friends here, Ansh and Arjun, standing face to face. Ansh's shadow was exactly to his right. So which direction was Arjun facing? Now the condition given here is the time is of sunset. We all know that at sunset the sun lies to the west. So let us make use of this once again. So this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west, and the sun lies here because at sunset again the sun is present towards the west, and we all know that the shadow is always formed in the direction opposite to the direction of the sun. So if Ansh's shadow is being formed to his right, so that means this is Ansh here and his shadow is being formed to his right. That means Ansh is facing which side? Ansh is facing the north. Only then his shadow can be to his right, because if he would have been facing south, the shadow would have been to his left. So since Ansh's shadow is to his right, Ansh is facing the north. So which direction is Arjun facing? Yes, if Ansh is facing north, so Arjun will obviously be facing south. So this is our answer here. So this is going to be the position of Arjun, because they are standing face to face, and Arjun will be facing towards this direction, and the answer here will be south. So I've tried to pick up 4 different type of questions which can be asked based on this particular concept in the competitive exams. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can hit the bell icon if you want notifications for more such interesting upcoming videos. And yes, the PDF is also available now. So if you want the PDF, don't forget to contact us on the number 98963 69963. You can WhatsApp on that number and you can have access to the PDF. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon with another important video on the same concept.